Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Remember a while back I done a video on a windshield that was too big for me, and guess what? New windshield came in. So today I'm going to take the current windshield off, let's put it that way, and I'm going to put the new one on. It's a 10-inch instead of the 11-inch I decided to go with. So it's a 10-inch Freedom Shield that I'd sent back a couple weeks ago. I emailed the customer service. He said, ship it to me and I'll send you another size. And I emailed him, told him I wanted the 10-inch instead of the 12-inch. And he said, no problem. So I'd only had it a couple days and it was sent back anyway. So it just goes to tell you how well the company Freedom Shields backs up their warranty, takes care of their customers and all that good stuff. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get busy taking this off. All right, guys. This Freedom Shield windshield looks good, guys. I put my Saddleman long reach seat on here, and where I'd done the video before on the seat sitting me up higher, I had to have me something to sit up higher, not too far above the windshield, so my nose is eye level with this right here now. So I'm not over helmet and a half over top of the other windshield I was running. It was a good windshield, but I'll be happy with this one. This is the 10-inch. Dark smoke, and can't wait to hit the road with it. I'm not going to hit the road today. It's just come a rain shower outside, but I want to show you what Freedom Shield had laying on top of it when I opened it up. I got the envelope here, and it says, from Freedom Shields. Thank you. We know that there was a lot of other companies you could have purchased from, and we just wanted to say thank you for choosing us. So they will take care of you guys and make sure you get fitted up right for your windshield if you order from them. So I'm going to end this video, but first I want to do a little up close and show you the windshield, how good it looks. Guys, this windshield here is thicker than the other current brands, so it makes a big difference. But we'll look at it from the back of the motorcycle here, how good it looks. So we'll get out here one day next week. Hopefully it's not raining and everything like it has been, and I'll get a chance to ride it one evening in a while, and all that good stuff. Guys, if you ain't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and I do appreciate you stopping by watching the video. Hope you guys are out there riding. I know my friends are up at VAM right now, and I hope they had a good week. This week of the 7th, 8th, 9th, or 8th, 9th, 10th. But anyway, VAM's going on and I've missed it. So this video will probably come out afterwards. May or may not. But anyway, guys, I hope you had a fun ride with Mr. G, meeting everybody and seeing everybody again. But I'm going to try to get back and meet up with them tomorrow night if I get back home from working time. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to end this video here.